Welcome to a more straightforward approach to handling sales orders with C2W Inventory Management. Essentially, we have 4 basic steps in the sales order process within the system. First, create a customer. Second, create the sales order. Third, pick the sales order. And finally, ship the sales order, though this step is optional. Let's explore how you can get started. First, let's add your customers. There are 2 methods for adding customers. First, manually create each customer one by one through the new customer screen. Second, batch import customers via the import data screen. Refer to the initial setup video for more details. To manually create a customer, navigate to Sales. New Customer. Enter the customer name, contact info, billing address, optional, and shipping address, for shipping purposes, then click Save. The customer will be saved into the system. Next, manage your customers. The Manage Customer screen is used to search for and edit customers. View customer information, order history, payment history, all from this single screen. Don't forget to click the Save button if there are any changes to the customer information. Up next, we'll cover how to manage sales orders.